Hi, it's David, and in this video I'm going to be creating some lists using AW Automate Pro. Now, anytime you create a product, depending on how many levels that you have, it may well be that you need to create more than one list for the product. For example, you might have a list for your free opt-ins, you might have a light version, a pro version, a membership, and perhaps even an affiliate link, or affiliate list rather. So that means you're going to have to create 5 lists for that product. Now, it's fair enough, the basic settings are just your own settings, but for the personalise your list, if it's all the same product, these should all be the same. And I find it a bit boring having to type in the same information into each list just to get on the list correct for a product. And if I find it boring, I prefer to either eliminate it or automate it. So I'm going to show you what I came up with for the automation part. Let's go back to the main dashboard. Quickly create lists. How many lists am I going to make? Let's make it 5. Let's consider that we've got a free, a light, a pro, a membership, and an affiliates list. Alright, and just to see how quickly we can go through it, I'm going to set a timer. Alright, so let's see how it goes. So, sorry about the slow typing. The email signature is going to go into any email that you add the signature tag to. So that could be a bio. And then a text file. But I would usually do that, but this is just demonstration, so go with that. So. Let's choose a file. Remember, you're looking for something that's less than 80 kilobytes according to Aweber, and you're looking for about 250 wide. Okay, so put that in. Now, step 2, if you require confirmed opt-in, if you don't require confirmed opt-in, you can just create lists from this page. If you do require confirmed opt-in for any of the pages, you can do so from the second tab. Okay, so you have 2 options here. You can either preload the campaign with either a code that you've got yourself, or you can use the Mega Money emails by leaving that blank. That's the bonus that came with the pro version. For confirmed opt-in, tick the box and fill in the details for the confirmed opt-in message. You know the script. And we are done. Down to the bottom, click create lists. Okay, and remind you, please don't click any of the pop-ups or buttons in the browser while the script is running. The software is going to click the buttons for you. Alright, so click OK. And let's move on to the browser only, and let's just watch what it's up to. 3 minutes, and that's just put the information. Of course, I can now go away and have a cup of coffee while my lists are being created. This is the big difference. You don't have to sit and type them all out yourself. You've typed it in once, and that's fine. As you see, it took me 3 minutes of actual work to do the 5 lists. All the rest of the work's been done with the software. So it's now doing the confirmation message. Once it's finished doing the confirmation message, it will load the Mega Money emails preloaded campaign. That's done. It's going to move on to the next. Oh, by the way, if the name's already taken, The software will add numbers to the end of the name until either it gets a unique name or it reaches the 15 character maximum for a list name. If it reaches the 15 character maximum, it will just default back to the original default value that Aweber gives a list name. If that's the case, it will tell you at the end. Alright, so it's just going to go through and it's going to create all the lists. I'll come back once it's closer to the end. Okay, it's about to create the final list. Let's just watch it as it does it. It should be my product affiliates. So here it is. Change the name to the description is. Save the settings. Try the first name. See if it's available. Yes, it is. So it's my product affiliate. There's the information going in. There's the logo uploading. Still hands free. I'm back with my cuppa. Stick the cuppa down, put my custard cream next to it, and those are my 5 lists created. Right, so there was no products, there was no problems. Let's just stop the clock at 7 minutes. All the list names were available and I was happy with that. So if I saw, for example, myprod free 2, that means that somebody's taken myprod free for my product, and all that AW Automate has done has added a number 2 at the end to try and get a unique name. If it's tried all the way up to 15 characters, you'll see that one of these says default. Alright, if that is the case, what you'll then have to do is, let's go back home, go to the list options, list settings, and if there's anything that you want to change in here, and you want to try something different, add things to the end of it and see what you can come up with, that's fine. If you want to change any of the other details as well, you can do it from the list settings afterwards. You'll notice that everything's there. Okay, and that's the list creation. Thanks very much for watching.